Hello viewers, welcome to the another video of Creative Designer, and in this video I will tell you how to design an e-commerce poster like this in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So first of all, I will take a document of 1500 by 1000 pixels. Okay. Now here I have created a shape. You can create it with the help of curvature tool. Okay. Now select this shape and press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it, and select this layer. Change this color to this. Now adjust it. You can also see color codes, this color and this color. Okay. Now after this I have a PNG image of a smartwatch. I will make it bigger, and for shadow I will create custom shadow. So take a new layer, take the brush tool, press B, make sure the soft front brush is selected. Just make sure the foreground color is black. Just click on it. Now press Ctrl or Command T and make it like this and bring it here. Now adjust its position. Now decrease its opacity to around 30%. Yeah, I think 30% is okay. Now adjust it. I will increase it. Yeah, now it's looking better. Now select both the layers, right click, link layers. Now the next step is text. So I will write stay ahead with smartwatch. So I will write stay ahead with smartwatch. Okay. Stay ahead with smartwatch. Let's make it bigger. Make it like this, yeah. Now make it bigger, yeah, like this. And I will change its color to black. And now I will select this part, and tracking, I think 0 will be good. And for this part smartwatch, I will change the color to this color. Okay. And the font style would be regular and tracking would be -50. But now it's looking good. Now I think and now it's okay. Now I'll decrease this to around 90. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay. Now adjust the positions. Now I will add a paragraph. I will increase the text size and make it auto. Yeah, I'll align it. Okay. Now after this I have to add a button. So take the rectangle tool, make a button shape like this. Okay. And choose this color and press Alt backspace to fill the foreground color. Okay. Now take the text tool and you can write shop now, or you can write buy now, or visit website. You can also write. It's up to you. Press Ctrl or backspace to fill the background color. Okay. Make it bigger. I'll make it, I think regular will be okay, or bold. I will increase its width and height. Yeah. Now select both, align horizontally and vertically. Then you can adjust its position. Now I want to add a discount, so you can write like 50%, and I will write it with poppings. Its color will be black. Now I will decrease its tracking around -50, and for this 0 is okay. Now I will apply. Okay, select both, press Ctrl Command T and decrease its size and align it. We can also bring guides. Press Ctrl R to bring the ruler. Set the guides. Okay, now align it according to your guides. Select both of them. I will align it. Okay. Now align this button also, this paragraph also, and this heading also. Now I will align the watch like this. Now if you now press Ctrl R again to remove the ruler, and if you want to remove the heights, press Ctrl H to remove. And now it's looking good, so you can adjust its position. Now I want to decrease its size and this paragraph. So this is our e-commerce poster design is ready. Thanks for watching.